Welcome back to Homespot. If you have ever dreamed of stepping into a garden where time slows down and every corner is filled with beauty, you are in exactly the right place. Today, we are taking you on a breathtaking journey through a serene Italian garden retreat, where timeless Tuscan design meets the pure, unhurried elegance of nature at its finest. As you step into this timeless Italian backyard garden, a long gravel pathway stretches before you, flanked by soaring cypress trees standing like ancient sentinels. Every footstep crunches softly underfoot as lavender spills from terracotta pots along the edges. The weathered stone villa at the far end draws you forward, promising shade, stillness, and the quiet elegance of Tuscany waiting just beyond. At the heart of this Italian garden, a single weathered terracotta urn commands the entire space with effortless grace. Rosemary trails freely over its sides, while silver-leafed lavender sways in the warm breeze. Cobblestone paths radiate outward from this living centerpiece, and the faint herbal fragrance drifts across the whole garden, turning a simple corner into something unmistakably, beautifully Tuscan. The gentle murmur of water is the first thing you notice as a grand tiered stone fountain anchors this Italian backyard garden. Moss softens every edge of the basin, and creeping thyme carpets the surrounding ground in fragrant green. Symmetrical gravel paths lead your eye outward to lavender hedges and olive trees, framing the fountain as the tranquil soul of this timeless garden retreat. Few things in an Italian garden feel as enchanting as sitting beneath a pergola heavy with wisteria in full bloom. Purple clusters hang overhead in generous cascades, dappling the rustic stone dining area below with shifting light and shadow. The entire garden extends around this canopy of color, with lavender rose, lemon trees, and stone walls completing the scene in perfectly romantic Tuscan fashion. Descending through this Italian backyard garden feels like a journey through a living work of art. Hand-laid cobblestones form gently sloping steps flanked by large terracotta pots bursting with flowering lemon trees, their fruit glowing like golden lanterns. Her borders hug each side. Wildflowers soften the edges, and ancient stone walls draped in climbing roses rise beautifully in the background, completing this quintessentially Tuscan garden scene. The long stone wall that borders this Italian backyard garden has become a masterpiece of color and texture. Climbing roses and cascading Bougainvillea in deep magenta have claimed every surface, pouring over the top in waves of vivid bloom. Gravel paths lead you toward it through lavender and olive trees. And as you approach, the warmth radiating from the ancient stones feels like the garden itself welcoming you home. Order and fragrance define this intimate corner of the Italian backyard garden, where a formal herb garden is divided by low-clipped boxwood hedges into precise geometric shapes. Sage, thyme, basil, and oregano fill each section with dense green growth and heady scent. Terracotta pots and gravel pathways frame the space, while tall cypress trees stand as living columns at the courtyard's four corners. Tucked behind a pair of perfectly clipped Italian cypress hedges, this quiet alcove in the backyard garden offers a moment of pure stillness. A single ancient stone bench sits at its center, worn smooth by seasons of warm Tuscan afternoons. Lavender borders and gravel paths lead you here as if by instinct. And once you arrive, the surrounding garden seems to hold its breath in peaceful silence. A winding vineyard row brings life and structure to this Italian backyard garden, with grapevines trained along rustic wooden trellises heavy with ripening fruit. The earthy warmth of the scene is unmistakable, from the gravel paths threading between the vines to the ancient stone well rising from the garden center. Cypress trees mark the perimeter, and a Tuscan farmhouse closes the view at the far end. Where the garden ends and the Tuscan countryside begins is almost impossible to tell in this sweeping Italian backyard landscape. A meadow of golden poppies and wild sage rolls outward from the garden's stone-edged paths, blending seamlessly into the rolling hills beyond. Cypress trees punctuate the middle distance like brushstrokes, and olive trees anchor the foreground, making the entire scene feel boundlessly alive and free. Beneath the ancient canopy of gnarled olive trees, this shaded corner of the Italian backyard garden offers the most intimate retreat in the entire space. Gravel crunches softly underfoot, wrought iron lanterns hang from twisted branches, and the filtered light creates a warm, golden atmosphere even on the brightest afternoon. Lavender rose and stone pathways surround the space, making this the garden's most beloved gathering place. There is something deeply regal about walking beneath a canopy of towering umbrella pine trees in an Italian backyard garden. This grand allée forms a natural corridor of shade and drama over a long, straight promenade, with lavender rows and stone benches lining either side. Light filters through the high pine canopy in shifting golden patterns, and at the far end, a stone fountain marks the journey's end. An old wrought iron gate, completely consumed by flowering climbing jasmine, marks the threshold between the open garden and its most enclosed, fragrant room. The scent alone stops you before you even reach the latch. Beyond the gate, the full Italian backyard garden reveals itself with stone walls, gravel paths, lavender borders, and terracotta urns, all glowing warmly in the afternoon light of a perfect Tuscan day. The kitchen garden is where this Italian backyard garden feels most alive and purposeful. Raised terracotta beds overflow with vibrant basil, purple eggplant, heirloom tomatoes, and sage in every shade of green and silver. A rustic wooden trellis supports climbing beans at the back. Lemon trees flank the beds in large pots, and the warm light turns every leaf and fruit into something worth savoring. At the exact center of this Italian backyard garden, for gravel paths meet and a carved stone sundial rises from the intersection with quiet authority. Lavender and clipped boxwood borders frame each path, drawing the eye from every direction toward this timeless centerpiece. The long shadow cast by the sundial across the gravel shifts slowly through the afternoon, marking time in the most beautifully unhurried Tuscan way. From this wide, open terrace at the edge of the Italian backyard garden, the entire Tuscan world unfolds before you. Low-clipped hedges frame the view like a living picture border, with vineyards and rolling hills stretching far into the warm, hazy distance. Gravel paths, terracotta urns, stone benches, and cypress trees fill the foreground garden, anchoring this breathtaking panorama in the rich and timeless beauty of Tuscany. And that is a wrap on our journey through this breathtaking Italian garden retreat. From the Cypress-lined pathways and Wisteria-Draped pergolas to the reflective lily ponds and panoramic Tuscan terraces, every corner of this garden tells a story of timeless beauty and quiet elegance. If this video inspired you, please give it a like and share it with someone who loves beautiful spaces. Subscribe to Homespot for more stunning garden and landscape content. And drop a comment below telling us which garden spot was your favorite. We will see you in the next one.